Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a futures day trading tutorial on Nasdaq, and I'm using the day trading bundle plus the new manager to manage the trade here. So this is one of those no excuses type videos where anybody that has our day trading bundle should have got this massive short on NQ during this European morning. I'm going to go through the entry, the setup, the confirmations, and then the management. So first of all, we see this Gartley printed up here on the left. This is concerning this harmonic pattern, this A, B, C, D correction. It's printed in red, so the resulting trade is bearish. That gives you a big clue. But also the main thing is we have an automated completion zone at this point here. So automated completion zone means that when this harmonic pattern completes in here, there's a very high probability that the resulting trade is going to go. Okay. Sometimes the D pivot will finish out of there and we don't take those trades. This automated completion zone looks very small, but it's very critical for those resulting trades to actually perform as a result of that harmonic pattern completing. So that's completed in the automated completion zone, and on the TradingView platform version that I'm using right now, we can set those alerts as well. So alert to your phone, alert to your chart, alert to your email. You've been alerted that a Gartley pattern has completed and we're ready to go. We've got this EMA cloud here. It's set on 21 as 21 EMA, and we are looking for a short below that point here. Now this would be an aggressive entry because we haven't got the confirmation. The confirmation comes from this divergence cloud. You see this red coloring here and this red downward pointing triangle here. That's your confirmation, but that also comes on a 5-star sell signal from the xBratAlgo, which is a totally different signal generator than the harmonic. So what you've got here is harmonic pattern completing first, moving away from the automated completion zone. Then on the same signal candle as the 5-star sell, you've got the confirmation. So you've got signals from two different strategies and what we call the confirmation from the divergence cloud coming in on that. So the entry is pretty simple here. We go short just below that signal candle here. So we've got signal from the harmonic pattern, we've got a signal from the xBratAlgo, and more important, confirmation. So we go signal, confirmation, entry, and that's how the day trading bundle works. You could go conservative on the next candle, 6-star sell if you miss it, and go conservative entry here. I'm just going to put that on because you've already got the confirmation, and you would go short below the low of that candle. So very, very simple. We're below the EMA cloud. That's one of the checklists, if you like. Then we get that confirmation from that for that harmonic pattern signal, and also now the xBratAlgo. You don't always get harmonic and xBratAlgo together. Sometimes you just get xBratAlgo, or sometimes you just get harmonic. In this case, all the stars are aligned. This is a no-brainer. You've got to take the trade. It's very, very difficult for that harmonic pattern to complete in that completion zone, but when it does, that's telling you, hey, this thing's going down. Then you get the confirmation from the divergence cloud and also the xBratAlgo signal. You've got to go short. Right now, I'm going to take the EMA cloud off, and I'm going to look at the manager. So the manager has kept us in this trade. We're risk-free now, and we are moving well. The manager has two things. It has this ribbon. The ribbon is red at the moment, so it's saying stay in. Okay. Also, we have colored candles. So we have a red candle, which is a down candle, which is higher than the previous. The volume is higher than the previous candle, but also you'll see these dots above and below. So above is higher than average volume with the cyan. Below with the blue is lower than average volume. So there's two ways to manage this trade right now. This first sideways action here was lower than average volume, so we didn't panic and we didn't take that profit at that point. We then started to move down on average volume. There's no dot or below or above. Now we're pulling back on lower than average volume. So what it's saying is this pullback on the grey candle is an up candle. It has less volume than this previous candle. On this current candle right now, we have less volume than the previous candle, and it's lower than average volume. So we're getting ready to maybe take a profit, but not quite. We're allowing the manager to manage the trade, because in a lot of cases this low volume pullback against the main direction of this current move runs out of juice and it starts to move back down again. Conservatively, we also have this ribbon. If this ribbon turns green, and you can see if we look back here, we're going red and green, we have the opportunity then to take our trade as well. This is in advance, this is in the future, it's looking forward. It's looking forward by 4 candles. So what we're looking for now is, if this ribbon turns green, we're going to get out. Or if we get 2 up candles with higher than average volume, we get out again. Remember, we got in all the way up here. We're risk free. One of the things I like to do is try and let things run. Now, to be honest, I can say 99% of retail traders would have taken 400 and odd tick profit on this trade without a doubt. You would already be out of this trade, taking the profit and hitting the beach for the day, because this has been a fantastic trade and the setup was amazing. Yes, with the harmonic pattern, the xBratAlgo, the confirmation from the Divergence Cloud, all the tools are doing the job. For me personally, sometimes depending on the profits I've making during that week or that day, I'd probably make it risk free, allow the manager to do its job. This is a low volume pullback against that move. If this finds good resistance and start to move back down again, the candle's just turned green now as I'm talking. So this up candle has more volume than this previous up candle because it's turned green now. It's still lower than average volume, so we've still got a little bit careful. I'm just going to continue with this video a minute because we've only got 20 seconds for this candle to close. And I want to see it close, see if it's higher than average volume, and that will be a good indication of how the manager is working right now. So we've got 10 seconds left on this candle. It is green, so there's more volume than that previous up candle, which was grey, but it's still lower than average volume. So there's no need for me to panic right now. And the candles we use in a high Kanashi, they're averaging candles. Very, very important. They don't affect the harmonics because the pivots are the same, but they really are needed for the xBratAlgo to give those good, secure, strong signals. So right now this upward move is lower than average volume. The ribbon is still red. If it's green, if it goes to green, I will get out. So hopefully this helps. One of the main things that we use the day trading bundle for is signal, confirmation, and entry. Then we add the manager into the mix, which is an additional product, but really good for managing those trades. So high probability trades, whether it's on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5 minute, even the 15 minute for day trading. When we get those harmonic patterns and the xBratAlgos together, they're very, very high probability moves. Get that confirmation in from the Divergence Cloud, and this day trading bundle is all you need to actually get the signal, the confirmation, and the entry. Add that manager to it, we have the full package that you need to day trade futures.